In this video, we're going to consider past paper analysis and approaches standard level. This is a paper of May 2025, paper 1. Let's start. First question, 5 marks. It's obviously algebra with logarithms. Write each of the following expressions in the form ln k, where k belongs to the positive integers. Okay, let's use the rules of logarithms. The first rule is addition rule. So logarithm a by c plus logarithm b by c is equal to logarithm ab by c, right? So we have to multiply. This is a part A. So part A costs 1 mark, and let's just write down here that ln, since ln is also logarithm base e, ln of 3 times 4, so it is ln 12. This is the answer. Okay, now part B, 3 ln 2. So here for this case we will use the property of power rule. So it's n, and n becomes power of a, so it's a in power n. Okay, this is the second property, and let's use this straightforward. It is ln 2 cubed, so it is ln 8. Okay, so that's how you will get another 2 marks here, right? Okay, and the last C, in C parts, in part C we have to write also ln something, yeah, with ln k, and k must be positive. Okay, let's write it here, ln 1 over 2. Then we have to make 2 operations here. First, let's -1 express as -1 ln, and 1 over 2 is 2 in power -1, right? Okay, so we can again use the power rule and then open the brackets. So since it's multiplication, -1 times -1, it's going to be simply +1. So 2 in power 1 and ln 2. This is the final answer. Okay, so this is ln 2. Okay, so it was a very simple introduction to the paper. Nice and smooth question. Subscribe, watch my other videos of this paper. See you in the next video, and let's make math easier together.